Hey guys, today we'll be discussing about rating link tools. On the platform down below in the navigation bar you can find for the app marketplace here and you can search for rating link tools. Here it is, you have to install it first. It's up to you, you want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. Let me show you how to do that. Here it is, install it first. If you choose a mode, it will be also giving you the option to enable automatic future installation. But right now we will be choosing a single specific account, that is location 1. Here it is. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. It takes a while. In the meantime, we can discuss the next step, that is moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed rating link tools. It is, as you can see, it is installed. Choose location 1. We're here on the sub account now. The next step will be moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow to just check on the actions are working correctly or not. On the navigation bar, you can find for the automations here, and from there you can just create a workflow and start from scratch. Now we are here in our workflow builder to see what actions are provided by rating link tools and what value is provided by the tool. Let's create an action. Find for rating links. Here it is. These are the actions provided by rating link tools. You can just get connected with Zappos, AliExpress, Amazon, whatever you need. And after that, you can create an action with Zappos. In this, you have to enter the product ID. Accordingly, let's just copy paste from the Zappos account or the product URL. Paste it here. Save this action now. Create a new action. Let's just check them all. Go for AliExpress. You have to enter the ID of that product from the URL. Save this action as well. Now comes the turn of Amazon. You have to do the same every single time with three of them. Like from Zappos, you have to copy the product ID from the URL. You have to copy the product ID from the AliExpress account or the website or from the Amazon. After doing so, save this action. Now we will be just saving the whole. Let's say we will be also creating some notes with that to update the contact. Find for custom values down below rating link tools. The data also, no, it's duplicated. Find for custom values. AliExpress, the data. And now Amazon data. Save this action as well. Now we will be testing our workflows. To set an example, we will be choosing any contact. Let's say choose this one, run this test. Now we will be heading towards the execution logs to check on the actions are working correctly or not. As you can see, the actions are executed with the notes. The AliExpress here, the Zappos here, the Euro, Amazon Euro here with the notes as well. Now we'll be checking the notes. Here we are on our sub account level. Find the notes from here. And as you can see, the links are connected here. We had just added their products ID. So that's how it works. Hope you're signing out. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.